Hello boys and girls, I know how you like to know everything about everything I do in this truck, but here we go. I just uploaded that video there. It's something that happened on Sunday of the 8th of whenever, and then this happened today, okay, and then this just came in the mail. Here, this is my old parking brake release thing. Looks like that. You can see why it doesn't work, because it's the one side is broke off, and I don't know if I can show you the happy numbers. That's what it is. Those first numbers, it's what I initially searched for and got parts from. I got this in the mail here. It's a little bit darker in color, but who cares, right? As long as it works. Okay, so, and I'm just gonna, there's the part number so you can compare. I'll compare. I don't care. I've already taken a picture of it elsewhere. But anyway, so there's that. And then here's the, let's see here. What do I want to show here? This is the window regulator that I replaced today. This is the old one, the OEM one that came out of here. And let's see. The cables are actually, everything's all good. Okay. What actually broke is, if I can show it, this sliding piece is what broke. Where the, let's see, is this showing it here? It's on this side. Alright, here we go. Let's see, can I get the camera in there? I really can't get the camera in there. But anyway, one of the pieces of, let's see here, right about where my finger is. Where's my finger? Okay, right up in there, where the other wire attaches to hold the thing, to pull it from the top or whatever. That phenolic piece of plastic or nylon or whatever it is, that's what's broke. So the end here is still good. It's just that piece of plastic broke. That's why the whole thing failed. Enough about that. All right. So I'm going to take this here, and all this is it just jams up underneath. Let's see. I brought a flashlight. Well, I have a flashlight, but let me see if I can show you how this thing works. Now I've got my flashlight charging actually, but there's the lever. All right, wait, put the flashlight right about, that's pretty good. All right, so that's how you should do it. Okay, so this is the lever. All right, that's the lever that you pull on to release the parking brake, which I use all the time. And that just goes on there, and then this, I don't know if I can show this, but that just goes on there, and then this just, according to these little pieces here, just kind of pushes up on there and clips in. So if I can somehow put the camera on the seat, will that work? Oh yeah, it'd be lopsided, but I'll let you see that as I try to put this on here. Alright, so here we go. So I took this thing off. It had to go through the hole, right? Had to go through the hole. Let's see if we pull it down. Can you barely see what I'm doing? Barely. Alright. Pull this down and over here. And just get this on here. It's just like doing your door deals. And that should clip in place. Yeah, so there, now it's clipped in. And then we simply get this on one side on this hole. Let's see here, I should have brought a headlight, but so just get that on there, and then let me get the flashlight and move it to where I can see here, to where I can line this up with that, and just, oh boy. Okay, let's do this. Let's put the flashlight back here. Let's get out our happy little, Super Leatherman, and let's get a medium screwdriver. Where's medium? Oh, it's on the other side. Okay, let's get, no, it's not in there. It's in here. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want, that's what I want, right? I want the long one. Okay, yeah, we're fumble fingers now. We're not out. Okay, that's what I want. Don't cut yourself. All right, so that one. All right, I want the medium one. So the blade. back. Come on. I really need to grease this thing some, but okay, put the awl down. Okay, great, there we go. So now, go back to the flashlight, okay, and stand it up, or, well, we'll just, okay, will it stand up? Yeah. Okay, so now, I just want to get this to go over. Alright, I need to get this, I really need a headlight. Oh gosh, see if I can put this on my shoulder. Yeah, there we go. And just get this to pop on, or, well, is it? Oh my gosh. Is that actually breaking? No, it's not breaking. It just needs to be pushed over or somehow pried into place. All right, so, oh gosh, all right, come on. Oh, I'm having too much fun here. All right, I somehow I can't pull it like that. Oh man, I've got this thing all the way over here. Okay, I need to just, come on, dude. Is that it? Gotta do it? That did it. Yay! Okay, just a little bit of fling. So there it went. It released the brakes. Works like it's supposed to now. Okay, so now I'm back in business again. Yeah, it's let's see here. It's a little bit darker color than, well, you can't see, and we're in the dark here, but at least it works. So okay, so if we set the brake with our hand and then let's see here, it does that. Yay! I like it. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes. All right, so I'm having too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed my little update of everything. And there it is. And well, here, I can turn my lights on. They're in the, well, semi-dark, but that's how bright those lights are to the front. And of course, the lights to the rear. I like lights that light up stuff, not lights that just light up and not put any light on the ground. That's all I'll show you. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta run. Have dinner.